Hi guys, this beauty is BMW 5 Series E34 1991. One of the best 5 Series, and we drive it in Tehran. As a matter of fact, it's one of the best 5 Series after E28 and E12, but it must be at least 6 cylinders. The acceleration is not good in 518, but if it is more powerful and use 6 or 8 cylinders engine, it converts to the beast. The M5 version is fabulous, and you see the interior, very vintage 19s cars. The trims, wood trims, the shape of steering wheels, instrument cluster, and the equipment around here. Wow, beautiful. I wish you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.